In a green jungle, there lived a kind elephant named Rani. She loved helping other animals. One hot day, a little rabbit was searching for water. The ground was dry, and the sun was very strong. The rabbit sat under a tree, tired and sad. Rani saw him and asked, "What happened, little one?" The rabbit said, "I am thirsty, but I can't find water." Rani thought for a moment and remembered a hidden pond nearby. She gently lifted the rabbit on her back and walked to the pond. The rabbit's eyes sparkled with joy when he saw the water. He drank happily and thanked Rani. Rani smiled and said, "Always share kindness, and the world will smile with you." From that day, the rabbit and the elephant became best friends.